Welcome to the next episode of MySQL Node Angular. We spoke last time about how we're going to create a new option which is going to allow us to It's going to allow us to dynamically load a new theme. Okay, alter table client. We want to add a theme, client theme, to the client table. We're going to call this what exactly? I have it already listed here in the database.sql file. And you can look back at the MySQL tutorial series on how to start setting up your actual database for this project. And you'll notice we have here client theme varchar 15, okay? And default none. Null, meaning that it can be default, okay? Client name and data type, okay? Add column name and data type and like this, and run that. Once we run that, we're going to go back and look at the client table and see whether it worked. I'll go back to the client table, and it did work. Now we have a seventh column, which is varchar 15 characters, which is going to be the client theme. Okay, good. Now that we have that, we're going to actually go into our core.js. You'll notice that we have over here root scope.mytheme, which is darkly, right? So if I change this to cerulean, okay, and then I'm gonna reload this. A second ago, it's this one, it's this black theme. If I load it again, it's gonna be a white theme. What happened here? Okay, starting it again. Gonna need to reload the page, so one sec, guys. And we're gonna see a white theme, exactly. It's the cerulean theme. So now we wanna talk about how to actually save this theme in the database, and also we got to save the theme for every specific logged in user. Ooh, we have a problem because, as you can see, I have to hover over it in order to see, but the majority of the other themes actually work beautifully, even in the heading. So we may just need to remove cerulean. Okay, now it shows a new one. As you can see, this time it's a different theme, and it's called Flatly. And that one actually does show me the nav bar. Everything except for cerulean does. So let's go back over here, and you'll notice that we have a factory service, okay? Factory called the client service, and that prints out, Control-Shift-J, something called the client object, which we're passing from this service here, something called the client service. We're passing, we make a call to API/user. We fetch everything from the client table. We pass that into main controller over here. The main controller, client service.client, and it's this object over here, scope.client. So all I need to do now is cut this, and I'm going to say root scope. Okay, by default it's going to be darkly. Okay, by default it's going to load darkly. Okay, if darkly doesn't exist, if there is a scope, scope.client dot, okay, root scope.mytheme equals scope.client dot what? Let's look in the actual object here. Scope.client object, here it is here. Crap. Oh no, I need to log in. Sorry, folks. Let's log in here. What happened? It's taking some time. I don't know exactly why that is, but we'll figure that out shortly. There we go. Okay, log in. There's a problem here. Unexpected token / core.js line 137. Core.js line 137. Scope.client dot. I need to go into the database.sql. Sorry, guys. Client theme. Sorry. Scope.client. It's the first object there. Dot client theme. Okay. And save that. And reload that.